This is a little park that I like to take my walks in, stay in shape. After the heavy rains we've had in the last recent days, there's some serious flooding going on. I used to sit right out at the end there, where the river starts to get wide, just to be by the river and relax and enjoy the scenery. But as you can see, it's flooded way beyond that now. It's breached its bank by at least 3 feet. Well, it's going to be a couple of weeks before I could probably come back here and enjoy my favorite relaxing spot. We'll see.